Good afternoon, everyone. So we are the Group 1 and we're from University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandawi, and we're here to demonstrate and to explain our very own project, the Simple Remote Control Boat. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm third class Agent Cadet Lorde. I'm third class Fernandano. I'm third class Junior Amanda. I'm third class Aparicio X Florencio. And I'm Mark Anthony Tiampo. So there's a little bit introduction about our project. Kids, are you bored of playing those boats which it doesn't have any remote control power? So we are now presenting our very own remote control boat. So it is also a dark activated. It has a dark activated light. And it's very nice for you to play during night because you could see that when you are playing, and then it has, look at this and all of these equipment are recycled. Look at this boat. There's the rudder. Look at this propeller, and then the ball pen and etc.
Then we have here the remote control which acts as the transmitter, and inside this boat is the receiver which when I transmit the signal to the receiver, it will move as it functions. When example the demonstration is like this: switch on, and I will switch on this, then when we press it, it will run forward. Now the propeller will run forward, and then we have also a function of reverse, reverse, and then without the rudder, it cannot run. So we have to demonstrate the rudder. See, the rudder is moving to the port, starboard, and then port side. Like that. And the pressure. And dark activated light.
Oh, here is our dark activated light. It serves as our headlight. So this is the LDR. So this serves as the sensor.
Yes.
So if you put this into darkness, the light will turn on. See, like that. Just a simple mechanism.
Yes.
We use the transistor so that the function of this will reverse. Instead of turning on the lights when there is light, it turns on when there is darkness. So
That is simple. The instruction of the light. And we have here the light also for the forward. This is the light for forward, the white light, and when we reverse it, the red light will also light. See, there are different functions here. And then the antenna is used to have a long range of transmission of the signal.
So the purpose of this remote control boat is mainly for entertainment.
Entertainment.
For kids, it's not all about kids, but adults can also play with this one.
Yes. And just make a boat.
what's
And
this
construct
for?
it.
What's
This is
this?
for fun. This is exhaust. We call it for exhaust because
Cooling system.
we know that here it's very hot
Show me.
inside the con.
Engine room.
Yeah, in the room. So avoid. So like that, so it will exhaust. And that's our project.
Can you demonstrate while moving forward, you're turning right or turning
Okay,
left?
we'll demonstrate turning right.
Assuming that
Assuming that
in the water.
assuming that this is in the water, so we'll demonstrate it how it turn forward and backward. And like that, when we turn it to starboard, like that, and the port side, you know that this is not oh, and then backward. And
Okay. A round of applause.